Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here today to do my planner spread in my Dollar Tree planner, which is in this Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook. So I also pulled out these washi's from Cookie Sticker Co. because I'm going to attempt to do a Black History Month spread this week. That was last week. Okay, so we're just gonna start here. Okay, so since I didn't have anything planned for the top, I'm gonna see if I can use these two washi's to make it work. So I'm gonna start with the ink in the red foil. Oh wait, I did have an idea. Oop, let's stop right there. Let me wipe this out just in case. I don't really think I need to white it out, but let's do it just in case. And where's my whiteout? Okay, let's see. I know these are all mixed metals, and I'm not sure how it's gonna make that work, but it was just an idea that I had. So let's see what I can do. Okay, let's try the green. Nope, let's do black again because I didn't do that right. Nope, let's start with red. Okay, now should I come down here with another row? No. I could take, so these are the stickers that I pulled. These are some that I've been holding on to for a while from JD in Brooklyn, and this is from Sandy's Paper Shack. So I'm gonna try to use most of these. I don't want to use this as one big sticker, so I'm thinking I can cut them into strips and kind of run them across the top somewhat. So let's try that. That's not gonna stay. Plus I don't want to use all of them. So I want to use I didn't cut that all the way across. Well, yes I did, it just didn't cut all the way. Okay, let's try this one. Maybe I should have moved Harriet over a little bit. carry it over. Or maybe I should just leave it. Okay, so that's pretty balanced. So let's do cover up the grays, and I'm going to use, I think this Melanin washi will do it. Yes, it will. Oh, and I didn't mention that this is the week of the 8th through the 14th, which is the week of Valentine's Day, but I kind of did Valentine's Day theme last week, and I wanted to do something for Black History, definitely. So we'll do Valentine's Day stuff in another planner. Probably, since the prompt for the weekly challenge is Love Notes, which is the title of my new printable kit as well. Probably do more Valentine's Day theme for my Love Notes spread. Now I can't get this to line up just right. Okay, so yeah, we'll do Valentine's Day, and I think I'm gonna do a few micro Valentine's Day spreads. I'm going to try and get more active over on Journal Life's Journey. So if you want to see what the Love Notes printable is about, there's a video over there showing a reveal. And this morning I just posted a video showing how I'm using the kit. If you want to check that out, I'd appreciate it. I'll link to the video in the iCard and in the description box below. When is President's Day? Let's see. Oh, okay. It's Monday. I thought so. The 15th. All right, so we got our base. So now I'm going to go on with this perforated washi, again from Cookie Sticker Code. The Stardust washi up here is from Simply Gilded. So this is Thursday. I'll try to get the dates right this time. I mean, yeah, it's like everybody freaks if I put the days wrong or the date wrong. Sometimes it can't be helped. I'm not paying attention. I'm thinking about something else. I'm already on the next step of the spread or whatever the case may be. Or I'm talking to you all and not paying attention. But it's like I don't freak out about stuff like that. I can easily change it. It's totally not the end of the world. I'm just like, oh, well, let me fix that. I don't know how this is gonna look. Try to struggling. This is how I got in trouble. Oh, that messed up. Oh. So now I gotta mess all these up. Now that I don't like. Luckily I got a washi card here that I can use. So I can salvage this washi. Nope, we want Monday to go first, don't we? Okay, let's put down some numbers. Do we want to do this? I'm pulling these from a sheet that's a freebie available in the shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. I don't know where I want to put that, but I want to put it somewhere. Let me just take this sheet out so that I'll have it available. Okay, so these are my numbers. Let's stick that there too. So let's go on with where we left off with here. Okay, so that's that. Let's wait to put the deco on here. So I think I'm just going to use this Black History Month sticker. And then I'm going to use her. And then I think I want to use this one. Now it feels a little random. I don't really want to use boxes, but I think I need to put a few on here to kind of help tie it together. Use a couple more of the stars too. Let's see if the boxes can help tie it together. If I can get any off of the paper. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's pop this back in and see what we've got. So that's it. That's the spread. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.